Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Yakuza 0 Director's Cut gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Now after your PC restarts, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and then here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If the problem still occurs, then come back, simply select use default settings and then move to the next method. Next is to update your controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. Once done, now check if the controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check whether it's working or not. So go to Steam and here you can see an update option is there. You have to simply click on update option and it will take some time. Now after the game is updated, now check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and once the Windows is updated, now try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices and here your controller will be added. To remove this, click on the three dot icon and click on remove device. Once done, restart your PC. Now after your PC restarts, again come back, select settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. Now click on add a device, then click on here and you have to add your controller to it. Now after your controller is added, now check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or you can simply search for DS4 Windows tool in Google and download the link. So after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. This will take you to the next page. From here you have to select and download DS4 Windows tool. Now once the tool is downloaded, you have to install it, and after that connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game once again and then check for the error and see if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.